3 days back, Iranian President Mohammad Ibrahim Raisi and his some cabinet members died in a copter crash in Azerbaijan side of the Iran. Now we are with us Iranian ambassador Dr. Ilaihi Sahab. What happened there, sir? Anything because there are so many conspiracy theories going around.
You know, it was an inauguration ceremony. There was a project completed, and both President of Iran and President of Azerbaijan were in the side. And after the finishing of the ceremony, President of Iran fly to Tabriz, but there were 3 helicopters. They flew together, but unfortunately, the helicopter of president crashed, and till now there is no. The cause of this incident is not clear. But what is clear is that the weather condition was not good. It was foggy, it was rainy, and the pilot could not see his front.
So you mean that you are ruling out any conspiracy behind this accident?
You know, this incident is under investigation. And a task force has been arranged, set up to investigate and study the accident, and when they will reach to any conclusion, it will be released.
Sir, right now the whole region in the turmoil, particularly the Gaza is facing genocidal war from the Israeli side. This death, untimely death of President Raisi, created a very, very precarious situation in the whole region.
You know, as our Supreme Leader mentioned, there will be no interruption in the function of the country. Iranian governmental structure are working, Supreme Leader is active, and all governmental structure is doing their tasks. So, beside this, there is no changes in the foreign policy of Iran, and internally and externally, it doesn't have any impact on the policy of Iran and the function of the government. So, I think it has no impact in the region.
Okay. My last question is that what will happen after this? The new election will be held?
Yeah. According to our constitution, after 50 days, new election should be held. Yesterday, the Interior Minister of the Ministry and concerning structure set the date of new election. In July, new election, I think 8th of July, new election will be held. And new president will be on the office.
Thanks for speaking to Salar and giving very detailed information regarding the accident.
Thank you.